Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Namaskar. My today's editorial is specially meant for every parent in this country. In today's editorial, I want to talk about our children and our children's future. Normally, the future of a country is directly linked to the future of a child, because finally, the child is our future. Every civilized country invests everything that they have into the children, into the children's future, thus ensuring their own country's future. Why am I saying all this? I saw an ad and I would first like you to see this ad. Then I will take it further.
मेरी उम्र 7 वर्ष है।
मेरी 6 वर्ष।
मेरी 8। मेरी 9 वर्ष। मैं छोटा हूँ लेकिन जानता हूँ।
देश पहले है। देश मेरी माँ है।
देश मेरा पिता। देश ही मेरा धर्म है। देश है तो मैं हूँ।
देश नहीं तो कुछ नहीं।
और जो देश का सम्मान करेगा, मैं उसका सम्मान करूँगा।
मैं अभी वोट नहीं कर सकता,
लेकिन सपोर्ट कर सकती हूँ।
ये नया भारत है।
हम घर में घुसेंगे भी और मारेंगे भी।
भारत माता की।
घर में घुस के मारेंगे. My country is teaching my 6-year-old that हम घर में घुस के मारेंगे. My country is teaching a 6-year-old that your neighbor is your enemy. My country is teaching my 6-year-old that you need to have better tanks and better fighter planes. This is the future of my children. Hatred. I am not saying this is an official ad of Bharatiya Janata Party or anything. I am not saying anything. Maybe it is not. I am sure Bharatiya Janata Party's advertising guys will not allow the party to make such stupid ads. But what is saddening me is the sheer narrative where our country is going. The future of children is about education. It is about what we teach them. It is about what we spend in their well-being. It is not teaching them to go and fight with their neighbors or say घर पे घुस के मारेंगे, खून करेंगे, bomb डालेंगे. Is that what you are teaching the children? I want to spend 5 minutes with you discussing the budget that this government has been spending for education, and that's what my topic for today is. According to a Business Standard report, in 2014-15, the government spent 2014-15 when NDA government took over. The HRD budget for education was 1.10 lakh crores, amounting to 6.5% or 6.15% of the central budget. In 2015-16, the budget got reduced to 96,000 crores from 1.10 lakh crores. It got reduced to 96,000 crores, amounting to 5.44% of the central budget. In 2016-17, it was brought down further to 92,000 crores and 4.68% of the central budget. In 2017-18, it was further brought down to 79,000 crores and a mere budget of 3.71% of the central budget. From 6.15% of the central budget to brought down to 3.71% of the central budget. This is the impetus that NDA government, that Modi Sarkar, that BJP Sarkar gave on education. And that's what's scaring me. I don't want my child to know that ghar pe guske marenge, ya, this is the best bomb and this is the best tanker. I don't want my child to know. I want my child to be educated. I want my child to learn history. I want my child to learn biology. I want my child to learn physics. Killing somebody and beating up somebody and bombing somebody, are we equating that with our nationalism? Is that what we are teaching a 5-year-old and a 6-year-old child? And this is what we are spending on education? Let me further take you through some figures. According to a Business Standard report, the share of Sarva Shikshan Abhiyan, a national program of universal elementary education, in the total allocation dropped to 29% in 2017-18 from 31% in 2016-17. In 16-17, the total allocation was 31%, and in 17-18, the total allocation dropped from 31% to 29%. Ironically, in 15-16, the percentage was 33%. 33% dropped to 31%, 31% dropped to 29%. Slab after slab, the money spent on education dropped. And such ads. This is worrying. This is worrying. I'm absolutely aghast. I was absolutely aghast when I saw this ad. And I really don't care if I'm trolled, I'm abused. Please abuse me. Please troll me. Because today, I'm not really bothered about troll and abuse. I'm bothered about the future of my child. I'm bothered about future of every child of this country. I'm bothered about the future of the country, for crying out loud. What will be of my country if every 6-year-old starts stalking, going and beating up Pakistanis? Can you imagine what this country would be? Kids will not aspire to be IIMs and IITians. I mean, you know what? There is a lot of effort that a lot of people took to get India to where it is today. To get our academic standards to where it is today. And I don't know how many of these people sitting in the top positions understand it. But with such acts, all those efforts will go down the drain, and this entire thing, this entire progress that India is making will take a nosedive. For the sake of this country, I request relevant authorities to kindly stop such ads. For the sake of this country, with folded hands, I tell you, please do not forward such ads. And for the sake of this country, no matter what political party you belong to, what ideology you belong to, please do not promote such ads. Our kids needs to read Bal Bharati, not to think about how to go and destroy Pakistan. That is not what your kid has to do. I beg of you, stop this. Do not. This kind of victory in elections is not worth it. It's not worth it. And this definitely cannot make you nationalist. Namaskar. HW News Network today is a year and a half old. Thanks to your support, thanks to your love, we've grown. We require your support a little more. What we request you to do is to download our free app. Our app is in Hindi, English and Marathi. We promise to update you with the latest news, views, analysis, interview. We also have a live TV going in that. If you download our app, we will get advertisers. And if we get advertisers, we'll get revenue. We get revenue, we can serve you better. So once again, please do support us. Please download our app. Namaskar.